Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, I hope you're all doing well, and as you all know, schools are opening very soon. So, I thought, why not make a class schedule as schools are opening soon? So, today we are going to make a class schedule. So whenever I make a class schedule, I use templates because making class schedules from scratch is a little hard. It's not very hard or too hard. It's a little bit hard. It's time taking. So over here, I'm going to take this template and then I'm going to change the colors of it. So I don't really like pink that much. I like black a lot. So I think the color theme what I'm going to choose is the black and white grayish, that color theme. So I'm just going to go for the darkest to the lightest, just like that, and then make it a little bit dark. Yes, and make this a little dark. That's fine. And make this a little dark. Okay, so now that and no, that. We're going to make this a little dark because, as you guys can see, that this and this, it looks like that they have a lot of difference in color. So just make it a little dark. I think so. That is fine. Yep, that's fine. Then there we go. And then this rectangle, I'm going to do this color but a little darker. Yeah, like that. And I think so we can not blue. It doesn't look that nice. I think so we will do black. Yes, black's fine. So let's do it. Send this to back, and then now we're fine. Black and black and black. Almost done. Black and the last one black. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to write random time over here, random subjects over here. So you can create this with your timing of schools and your own subjects, what you're going to have in that time. So okay, so change this color as well. Yep, that's fine. So now I'm going to write a random time. For example, I'm going to write 9 to 10, and then I'm going to do it in white so it's a little more visible over here. So I guess on Monday our first subject will be history, and then make that white as well so it's more visible. And just like that, I am going to fill this up with the random subjects, and I will see you guys after I finish the time and subjects. So guys, I have wrote subjects over here. On Monday, first subject will be history, and then Tuesday maths, Wednesday physics, Thursday English, Friday maths. So I didn't fill it up all the way. So you can fill it up all the way if you're making it for school. So now what you're going to do is if you have some note, you can. If you don't, you can simply just delete it. So for example, we do have a note. I think every school will have this note. And what the note will be? Every student should wear a mask in the school and bring their on hand sanitizer. I think so pretty much every school will have this note from now on. And if some schools doesn't, I don't know why they won't have this note, but whatever. So there we go. Now you can write your name over here and the year. For if it's 2020, you can write 2020. If 21, then 21. If it's 22, you get the point. So there it is, our class schedule, course schedule or class schedule. And if you want to decorate it a little, you can by going in the elements. Well, if I want to decorate something, I use gradients. I use gradients in pretty much every single thing. So which gradient should we use in this? I think that this one will be fine. So I will color it according to my color theme, which is black, white, and gray. Yes, that's fine. That's looking cool. Okay, so here we go. What's happening? Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to copy and paste it where I want it. I pretty much put gradients on the corners because it looks cool in the corners. It looks like professional. So yeah. Oh, there we go. Okay, now put this in this corner, and then put this in this corner. Okay, that is pretty much it, and I think it turned out great. I just love it now. I mean, I think it turned out very nice, and now what's left is filling the time section and the subject section. So if you are making it, you can fill this up, you can print it out, you can save it in your phone, your laptop, anywhere you want, and then when you go to school, you know what subject or on what time it is. So yes, that's how you make a class schedule in Canva. And I think this class schedule is pretty handy for little kids, like the primary school kids, kids which are in grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, which most of the kids forget their time and what subject they're going to have. And this is also pretty handy in home. So you see, when you're getting ready for school and you don't know what subjects you're going to have on Monday, and some people think that they're not going to have history on Monday, but then they do, and then they forget their book at home. So when you're putting your books in your bag, you can see which subject do we have on Monday, so you can you get the point. So yeah, this is how you make a class schedule in Canva. I hope you learned something new from this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.